Innovation doesn't happen overnight. It doesn't happen by mistake. And it doesn't happen by itself. Innovation is about coordinating connections that enable the creation of new ideas. And at America Makes, we make innovation happen.
America Makes is an organization that serves as a bridge builder. We're trying to take organizations that are working in additive and connecting them with a common objective. To take 3D printing problems that exist in the medical field, that exist in the aerospace field, that exist in the automotive field, and put a problem statement around it that we can solve together. We're a collaboration of the private sector and the public sector trying to advance 3D printing and additive manufacturing, bringing together the best and the brightest minds from all corners of government, academia, industry, nonprofit organizations, to really understand how to take advantage, full advantage of 3D printing for the benefit of the American economy.
So additive manufacturing at its simplest basis is using multiple layers to build up and create some component. So it's almost as simple as laying toothpaste out and laying it in a pattern that stacks upon itself to create some geometry that you desire at the end.
Additive manufacturing can be very simple.
If you simply think to the idea of customization, so I want my iPhone case to be different than my friend's, or I want to create a piece of furniture for a toy of mine, they have the opportunity to create custom components based on their individual needs or likes. So it's something I think we've found that a lot of children are really able to wrap their heads around what it is, why it's important, and how they can use it as a tool to differentiate themselves from others.
It can also be very complex.
You would have companies in the medical space talk about why they were special and unique because they made things that were customized, that were small, and that were very personal. And you might talk to the aerospace companies who would say they either make things one at a time because they launch things in space, or they make things that have to have operational characteristics for very harsh environments because they fly fast and high.
Even right now, additive manufacturing is changing the way we make almost everything in exciting, creative ways. A priority for America Makes is to keep additive manufacturing innovation moving forward.
We create an environment where people know the rules and how to engage with one another and are able to do it in a pre-competitive way where folks are not threatened by working or sitting side by side with the competitor. And we have some really fantastic projects that have brought Tier 1 competitors together and worked on the same team because they are facing the same technology obstacle.
The whole point of taking common problems and advancing it together. And all boats rise with the tide approach. That's the way we think about it at America Makes.
America Makes. Convening, coordinating, and catalyzing to advance innovation and ensure America's manufacturing competitiveness and success in the 21st century.